start to day number 1. Rebecca's just gone down for some breakfast. It is just gone 8 o'clock, and as you can hear, do I have to leave? Ooh, I don't know. I weren't going down for breakfast because I'm not hungry, but Rebecca's gone down, so wonder what it could be. Well, that was a complete waste of time. Went downstairs into the lobby, absolutely filled with people, not knowing what's happening, where to go, what to do. You know, people were just coming down for breakfast anyway. There were some people already in the dining room. And then I think we was all about to, like, everyone's just packed into the lobby area and like ready to go out or whatever they were doing. I just got downstairs and stood there waiting, and then one of staff walked through and said, go back to whatever it is you were doing. So I think it sounds like somebody was smoking in the room and triggered the smoke alarms, but oh well, fun start to the first day. So I don't know. Why is it always like this when we come on holiday? It's always wet and miserable, and I don't want to go anywhere.
Brought the bad weather along with us.
It's awful. Nice little communal area here. It's quite cool. It's wet and miserable though. Oh, I looked on weather report and it said it was supposed to be sunny and dry, so.
Well, usually.
Yeah, true. Wet and bloody miserable and horrible. Oh well, I'm going to get back to the day. We have a nice pool in our hotel. We have a jacuzzi pool. And we have a sauna room, which I'll be using that later, I think. How cool is this? It's quite a cute little pool actually. Isn't it? Look at the little dolphin up bottom. How nice.
No, it's go swimming in it.
You can go swimming in it while I go in the jacuzzi.
Yeah. And you can just watch all of it.
And in the sauna. Isn't it nice?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's nice. Sitting that for hours.
I'll definitely jump in.
So cold and windy. So we was going to walk along the seafront, but as you can tell it's just too windy. So we're going to stay along here. Jesus, I mean, the minute we step out from behind that wall there, the wind just blows us away. So I think we'll just have to stay covered behind buildings and walk along here and see where it gets us to. Oh my god, I was not expecting this weather at all. They didn't say the weather was going to be like this. I don't like the weather report because it's never right. So the rain has stopped, but the wind is still really strong. I mean, it is absolutely freezing. Look at you, you look soaked and cold.
I do not feel like this.
Oh, you should have bought your hat and scarf, shouldn't you?
I know.
Your own fault. But the scenery's nice. Tell you what, Rebecca, let's go down onto the pier there. We'll walk right to end and we'll go stand on end at pier there, eh? Yeah, shall we go stand on end of the pier right here? Yeah. Right there, we're going to stand on end at pier. I mean, look at that. I mean, crazy.
That's probably way down.
Check out these apartments by the ocean. I mean, they must cost an absolute bomb.
An arm and a leg and a bum and a head. Yeah.
I mean, I would absolutely love to live there. Wake up in the morning, open my curtains and just look out. I mean, maybe not in this miserable weather, but you know, it's summer. I'd sit out on that balcony all day long and just stare across the water like Moana.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can.
Luxury properties.
26 luxury apartments.
2 penthouses with roof terraces, underground parking. Yeah, but the one thing it doesn't say is how much do they cost?
Well, call that number.
How much would you guess? Because I can't even begin to guess. I bet they're not cheap though, at all. Rebecca,
Yeah.
go for a swim and an ice cream.
Yeah.
You think it's the right time to play? Hello. Hello. Oh, what's that? What's that? He doesn't care, he's off. I think he's more interested in the ocean, Rebecca. Look at him! Look at him! He's grabbing the fluff. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. Oh God, look at him, he's having so much fun. Oh. Can I come and join you, mate? Can I come and join you? Oh, wow.
You can't join you, mate.
How cold is that?
Cold.
Yeah, so me and Rebecca wanted to go to the end of the pier, but it's quite rightly so closed for the winter. I mean, look out there. Couldn't imagine we're standing on end up pier in that weather. But yeah, we are currently inside the arcade at the minute. See, when me and Rebecca come into arcades, we don't spend money. Well, we don't spend much. We look around and we try and find 2p's that are fallen down. We're usually quite good at it, or should I say Rebecca's usually quite good at it. That's one there. And then that's how we make money. We either keep it or she puts it back in and spends it.
I'm saving it.
But yeah, you don't need to spend money when you come to arcade.
Yeah.
Look, there's some there, Rebecca. Ooh. See, we're on the prowl for money, we're scavengers. Aye, I thought you were saving it, that lasted long.
Golf adventure.
I want to go out on to end it beer.
I know, I do.
What's a bench play area, I think?
It's the golf.
Lost World Adventure Golf. £3. It actually looks like it's been snowing outside. Oh God, look at it. Wow, look at that. Look at all that fluff. Looks like, I don't even know what it looks like, to be honest.
Yellow.
Looks like someone's had a very big accident. Oh. Come on, let's go for a walk along here. That guy is absolutely off his vodka. But it's fun though. I wouldn't mind giving it a go, but...
Not in this weather.
Yes, it'd have to be warmer, I guess. Oh, I wanted to go to the end of there. Look at him. It's well brave. Oh dear me. So we've just stopped off in this nice little restaurant by the shoreline, and yeah, need a nice hot drink after walking down there.
Actually got me.
It's a bit cold out there, isn't it? Have you done your finger? Or is it a flower? You cut yourself. So we're starting off with a nice hot warm cappuccino and a hot chocolate. Don't know what you've done, but honestly, big softy. Ooh, yummy, 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 yum. Got myself some nice eggs Benedict. My dinner. Lovely, lovely jubbly.
No.
My dinner.
No.
Mine.
You said you shared.
You've had your breakfast, this is my
I
breakfast.
tried to give you this breakfast this morning, but
I
this
wasn't
one
hungry.
Yeah, but I gave you a little bit of pork and sausages and eggs.
I wasn't hungry. This is my breakfast / dinner. Yum, 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 yum. Just what the doctor ordered on this wet, miserable day.
The doctor.
A nice, hot, warm...
The doctor. What?
Nice, hot, warm cappuccino. And that eggs Benedict were absolutely beautiful. Tasted really, really nice. Yeah, it's a nice little restaurant that is by the seaside called the Bandstand. Show you the menu. A little tad expensive, but it usually is back when it's by the sea. Can't really see, it's a bit below. Let's see if I can. Oh. But yeah, it was lovely in there. It's very nice and friendly, and food was really nice. So, Bandstand. But yeah, it was really nice in there, weren't it? I enjoyed it. And it's next to this park, golf course. But can't imagine there being a lot of people out right now, out and about in this weather. But again, it'd be somewhere really nice to come in the summer, this place. Let's go and have a wander and see what's down here. No, these exercise machines, outdoor exercise machines, like a mini gym outside, kind of common down south. Like there were some of these in Brighton. I'm not sure where else they have these, but I mean, you can put down in the comment section, do you have something like this where you live? I mean, I suppose this is big in America, like along the beach front, but in Britain they're not so common. Look at the back of your pants now. Oh my god. Oh. Filthy. Honestly to God, I can't take it nowhere.
Shut up, man.
But yeah, put down in the comment section below if you've got something like this in your area. But I know there's not really a lot of these where we live anyway, is there? I think there's a few. I think they're popping up in places, but there's not a great deal. It's snowing! It's snowing! It's absolutely... Oh! It's just got right in my face. It's snowing! It's absolutely snowing, lads! Oh dear. So we've just been to see the prices of that zoo, and it's actually shut today because of extreme weather. So yeah, there's another zoo as well. There's this one, and then there's another one that's somewhere else. So we'll either by end of the week come back to this one or go and check out the other zoo. Oh dear me. So we've been all the way over there, walked along there, and all the way along here. So how do you fancy walking up top of that cliff first? Oh dear, I thought not.
I'm tired, I need a drink.
Oh, you're always tired. So we're walking along here and then we've just come across this. What a shame. Someone actually died in this spot. I mean, I don't know how he died, but yeah, there's a marking to remember his name. Died in 2000 at age 18. What a shame. Oh, rest in peace, lad, rest in peace. Oh. Yeah, it's definitely calmed down a lot from this morning, hasn't it? You know, it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon when we come out this morning at about 9, 10. It's definitely calmed down. Yeah, see how much this show's gone out? It was right up to the top, weren't it?
Yeah.
So it's calmed down a lot now. It should be nice. I think it'll be nice for the rest of the week. Should pick up a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Does that mean we'll find the weather, will it?
No, it's alright now. It's not as windy and as rainy now. It's stopped. So
The shops look like they're starting to open.
they're not going to open. It's out of season. They'll be shut now for season, them shops. So when we got back from that very cold and wet and windy walk along the shorefront, me and Rebecca came back and we went for a swim in the pool. Well, should I say Rebecca went for a swim in the pool, didn't you? Yep. She did a few laps in the pool. I just jumped straight in this jacuzzi. It was so nice. So I put in that footage here and we had quite a nice time. Could have stayed in that jacuzzi all day, but after being outside in that freezing cold weather, this feels so relaxing. Oh my days, this feels good. I can sit in here whilst watching Rebecca swim. Is it deep up that end? Yeah. Go on, swim, swim. Oh, this feels so nice and refreshing and warm. I think I'm going to stay in here all day and not move. Ready? Steady. 1, 2.
He's staying there, we're not keeping them GoPro. But this side is pretty deep, but the other side, it's not that deep. It's not that bad. It's...
nearly 5 o'clock and it's brightening up. It's been sort of wet and miserable all day. Look at that sky now. Kind of want to go back outside and go for a walk. What do you think?
I don't know.
Shall we go back out? It'll probably be still cold, but it'll be nice. Might go for a stroll there. A bit of a stroll. Before or after tea?
After.
I'm going to have tea and then go for a stroll.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. Look at the lights at night. It's so shiny and bright. Wow. Oi! Get back up here. Get back up here. Come here. Oi! Becca! Whatever. Do you know, it's weird. I had one shandy at tea and it's gone like straight to my head, sending me a bit goofy goof. I don't know why. Like, how can you get drunk off a shandy? So me and Rebecca had a evening tea. It's quite nice actually. We get starter, main and dessert. It's not something I really want to vlog, to be honest with you, because we're slap bang in middle of she making faces behind me again. Stop it! I'm vlogging. I'm trying to be professional here. I want to send you across the water so you don't come back to this island, because you get right on my bloody nerves. Help me! Help me! I just can't do it. Help me up! Pull! Pull! Ah, I just can't do it. It's too steep for me. It's too steep for my little legs. Help me! Help me! It's just can't do it. I just can't do it. Get off me! Get off me! Get! Ah!
Bye, Mum.
Bloody hell! Yes! Oh, have you cut yourself again?
No.
You cut yourself again? Oh, look at that little boo-boo, Rebecca. Do you want a plaster?
No, I'm okay.
Are you sure for your little boo-boo?
Mum, stop.
I've got a quick question.
What?
Did you enjoy your trip? Why didn't you send me a postcard? So after that major catastrophe there, I think we'll end the vlog there before this one hurts itself again.
Or end up hurting someone else.
And we'll see you on day number 2.